listening your voice very clearly, brother. No, there is issue from your side.
Yes, at first I would like to say about Happy New Year, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Happy New Year, you Hazaron Saal, my dear brother, and always you are appreciating me. Always you are appreciating me, and you are helping me. So thank you for that.
Also, I would like to say thank you because through help of you, I am improving my English. Also, I have started my YouTube channel. Also, my YouTube is going well in nowadays. Every day, 2-3 subscribers I am getting every day. So also my YouTube is going on very well nowadays.
Yes, 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 yes. I am not helping you, my dear brother, first, and you are helping yourself. You are doing hard work, so it is result of your hard work. So please don't say that I am helping you. Okay.
Yes, I think that in this time your profile may be many messages to come to connect with the people. So are you? Is there getting a message? Are you getting?
Yes, 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 yes. Every day I am getting message that I want to talk to you, sir. So when you are free, so tell me. I am always ready to connect with you. So I am 3 and 4 message. I am daily catching from the someone on the Skype app.
Yeah. Also, I watched our video in your YouTube channel. They are getting good views in our videos. Yeah, people are liking both person.
Yes, 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 yes. So we are very close to you, and you are very close to me. So I think that both will do improvement in life. So I think that you are from Jharkhand, and I am also from Bihar. But no matter that you are from where, and I am from where. So I think that we and you are also friend and family member. Just you are very close to me. So we both should go together, and we both should learn together. Okay, because after joining this app from the Durga Puja, I am continuously talking to you, and you are also continuously talking to me.
Yes, day by day your English is getting better, means faster, and this time I'm thinking to you are speaking so fast. What is happening with you? So you practice this, how do you practice fast English speaking?
No, I'm not doing anything. I'm truly saying, but just on the Skype app, I am connecting different kind of person, and I am speaking to you. I am not doing anything extra. Just speaking. I am focusing on speaking more and more. And while nowadays, before 1 month, I was focusing on listening on the YouTube channel conversation video. But this time, I am concentrating on speaking as much as possible. As much according to the time, I am connecting different type of person. So that's why I am speaking.
Yeah, you are really open-hearted person. Whatever you speak, you connect with the people in open-hearted. You speak in smiling face. It's your plus point. People are attracting to you. You're like your or like your speaking style, all like. So
Yes. I am not taking any tension while speaking, whether I am speaking wrong and whether I am going to say anything right. So I'm not thinking about more that what I will say. Whatever my heart is going to say to me, I just allow my mouth to say.
Yes. What about today? Yesterday your battery was not good charge. So today I think you have full charge. And your battery.
Yes. In the morning, I have done full charge of my mobile. So this time, connection will not stop from me and from you. So this time, how long you will speak? No problem. I will speak with you because you are very closer to me, and day by day, you have become very close to me, and you are my best friend. I think that.
Yes. So tell me about in this month, what are you doing in farming? In this month, what is going on in your farming?
Yes. After cutting down the paddy, I have planted the wheat, gehu. And you know very well, my dear brother, that gehu is a rabi fasal, and in the winter season only wheat can be planted. Okay, and if you will plant the wheat in the summer season, so it will get dry and it will not grow their plant. So useless, there will be useless in the summer season. So wheat plant is only beneficial for the winter season, and winter season allow the wheat plants to grow more and more. and they will give grain also.
Yes, yes, brother. You know, you are a teacher and also you are a farmer. So tell me about farmer life.
Yes. Farmer life is very difficult life in India, but other country farmer life is very good because Indian government is not providing subsidy. Indian government is not providing better for the farmer, and Indian government just like Prime Minister and just like Chief Minister of Bihar is not giving any subsidy to the village person who are farming in village, and just farming is very useless, have become very useless for the farmer because nowadays every farmer have no pumping system for giving watering and for giving water to their paddy and their crops, so they are lagging behind. So nowadays Bihar farmer life is going lagging behind. So I think that there is no water connection provided by the government because I am standing in front of my land and there is a canal, but there is no water coming from the dam. So and pumping system is not available in the agriculture sector, and there is a scarcity of electricity because sometimes electricity is coming and sometimes electricity is not available. So some farmer are having a lot of problem from the government, and sometimes the farmer have to buy seeds from the local market, and they are providing in very many big cost. So and fertilizers, if I am talking about the fertilizers, so there is no cow in with the farmer, and farmer are not using natural fertilizer just like a cow dung, because some farmer having no cow and some farmer having cow, but one cow does not give you much cow dung, so you cannot use that one cow dung inside their land. So it is very difficult task nowadays for farming, and farming is very difficult task have become today, and farmer life is not good because today I am selling cabbage, cauliflower, 5 rupees per piece, and so what can you imagine, because I have planted cabbage 2 months before and 3 months before, and I have done a lot of hard work behind growing the cabbage, but I am selling cabbage 5 rupees per piece. So you can think about the miserable condition of the farmer.
Yes, yes. You know, in this time, also in my market, I find 10 rupees for cabbage. In this time, so cheap cabbage are find.
Yes. So you can imagine that how difficult life is the farmer.
Yes,
But
yes.
still I am alive, but still I am happy because farmer life is just hoping life from the God. Sometimes I have to look after, I have to bet from rain water and rainy season because pumping system are giving water but less water giving, because if you having one submersible, so submersible will give you less water, and slowly they are giving water. So if you have a large scale of land, so you will plant, if you want to plant paddy in the rainy season, so you will not plant because electricity is available, but in underground water is not available. So submersible, I have established submersible, and I am taking water from the submersible, and there is no underground water, and there is a scarcity of water of the groundwater, and so the people and the villagers and the farmer of our village have to depend on the rainy season. So and sometimes in the rainy season you can see that it is raining and it is not raining. Sometimes it is raining and it is not raining. So on that time I also had to face many problem, and I also have to face many problem in the rainy season. So whole season the farmer have to face many difficulties, even in the rainy season, even in the winter season. because this time I am growing different kind of vegetable, but I am selling that vegetable in the market in very low cost. I am telling about the cabbage, cauliflower, because from last 4 months I am continuously hard working behind the cabbage, and I am selling that cabbage 5 rupees per piece to the vendor and to the greengrocer and to the market. So what profit will I get? You just can imagine.
Yes, absolutely, you are right. Farmer life is now in this time not so easy. So hard work they do and get a minimum price. It's not good. Then how can
Yes,
grow?
yes, yes.
Yeah, India's economy depend on agriculture. If agriculture are not strong, then maybe face many kinds
Yes,
of
yes, yes.
problems in everyone's
So
life.
I think that the government of Bihar and the government of any state should think about the miserable condition of the farmer, because the financial provider of the our country of the are only farmer, because 70% people of village are doing farming, and they are just increasing the national income also. And farming is also a good sector, agriculture sector called it farming. And farmer, if a farmer will not grow grains, so price will increase definitely. If there is no grains available in the market, so definitely the price of the any commodity, just like gram, just like rice, just like wheat, will go increase. So what will happen on that day? So I think that I think that government should provide better opportunity for the people of our India and for the agriculture sector. So government should provide less. More subsidy to the farmer, and they, if any loan have been taken by the farmer from the any bank, the government should provide money as in the form of subsidy to the farmer, so that they can live better life, and so that they can be happy. Because nowadays what is happening in the Haryana and Punjab, because Punjab and Haryana farmer have taken a lot of money from the bank, and they have not deposited. The farmer have not given back to the bank also. So they are, because their crops have been collapsed, their crops have been dry from the sky, and so sometimes drought coming, sometimes bad coming, drought coming, sukhad coming. So that kind of problem is happening with the farmer regularly, and they are unable to give back their loan money back to the bank. So I think that government should some action to the farmer.
Yes, absolutely right. You have described good things. Also, government should think about this thing. Then our in any state can grow through this thing.
Yes. So this is the condition of farmer today, happening in not only in the Bihar, but also in the Jharkhand and Haryana, people facing the same problem.
Yes.
But Haryana and Punjab government is good, but in Bihar, we compare of the Bihar and Jharkhand and